It's going to be a very changeable and active weather day with a strong front back to the west that will be crossing the state within a few hours of midday today. We're looking at the potential of a half inch to a full inch of rain. It's going to lead to some lower visibility, some slow going on area roads, and some ponding out there in area roads, with temperatures today climbing into the 50s. Also, we're expecting along that front as it comes through with a wind advisory posted statewide for some gusts over 45 miles an hour. Winds eventually switch to the west later tonight, and that's going to set up much colder temperatures. So after 50s today, we slide back into the teens and 20s tonight, which could mean some road refreeze. Decent weekend on the way, although it will be significantly colder tomorrow and officially kicking in the winter season on Sunday.